tanggap-tanggap yung mga ganong klaseng tao. Baka mamaya saktan pa nila ako. Wala ka. Pero alis ka na.
Paano kung habang wala ka, tsaka naman magka-problema ang corporation?
I tried to tell her about the mafia. Fuck.
Yung daddy ko kasi, Zeke, pinatay siya bago pa akong panganak. Pwede ka lang, nandito lang ako. Sabihin mo sa akin lahat kasi ganun yung perfect wife eh. Kailangan alam niya lahat ng tungkol sa asawa niya.
Fiona, how are you?
I miss you, hon. Didn't you miss me?
Rose, I miss you. She's my ex-girlfriend.
Should I tell Roswell's wife?
Leave or face death. Your choice.
I don't know why he married her. He doesn't even look in love with her.
Ano bang business yung gagawin niyo dun sa Hawaii?
Do you trust me? Please trust me.